New Caledonian look like having quite shaky ground. There has been two earthquakes, big ones. One on 7.5 and one 6.6, and some small between between and after 6.6. I hope it's not affecting any people. It's so strong earthquake, it can kill people. So I hope everything has gone okay. And I did look earlier today. I never seen so many earthquakes globally in what is over 2.5. Today it was 88. Totally, it is the most in Alaska, and New Caledonian has quite many too. So that was what I have seen today. I thank you if you have been watching, and I come back. Bye.